A yellow mongoose. He's been out feeding through the night and needs some rest, and heads straight for the ground squirrel's burrow. The squirrel seems unfazed by this. In fact, knowing the mongoose is there gives him the confidence to forage a little further from the burrow. That's because they have a secret pact, which the squirrel can call on at any time. And this morning, there's trouble approaching. A highly venomous Cape cobra who's detected the pups. But they can't see him. He's too low to the ground and the same color as the sand. This young pup is totally unaware as the snake prepares to strike. The father can see the danger, but he's too small to tackle the snake. It would kill him too. But he knows someone who might be able to help. The squirrel's desperate cries are a call to arms for his housemate, the yellow mongoose. He's not scared of the snake's deadly venom. The mongoose is incredibly quick on his feet, able to dodge the strikes and hit back. Eventually, the cobra gives in. He's got away lightly. That's not always the case. The ground squirrel's family is safe and sound. The mongoose saved their lives, and because of this, the squirrel is more than happy to accommodate him in the elaborate burrow network, without any house duties. Two small mammals, both needing a roof over their heads, but with very different skills to complement one another. Teamwork is everything in meerkat society, and you can never let your guard down. Especially if you're the babysitter. This deadly cobra is looking for shade and heading straight for the pup's den. Its venom is highly toxic. The young female sounds the alarm to mobilize the clan. There's no way she could tackle the snake on her own. Fortunately, it stops in one of the burrow entrances, and there's no time to lose. The team has a plan. While one group diverts the snake's attention, another goes to a different entrance to move the pups. It's a delicate operation. They're so young and defenseless. Two or three well-coordinated adults perform a high-risk mission. It's a life-defining moment, saving these 4 vulnerable individuals. Half of all meerkat pups die before the age of 1. Thanks to the babysitter's alarm and the teamwork of other clan members, the pups are safely in a new section of the burrow. But the young female still has her work cut out, as in a month's time, the pups will leave the burrow. She'll need to teach them to hunt for themselves and who to trust. It's going to be a big challenge and a new chapter in all their lives. The cobra is getting dangerously close. But thankfully, the weavers are not alone. Pygmy falcons may be the smallest raptors in Africa, but they're also one of the most aggressive. First offensive involves screaming to intimidate the snake. But he's not deterred. So they try a threatening posture. Finally, an all-out assault. That's quite enough for the cobra. The reason why the pygmy falcons are so defensive of the weaver nest is because they too are raising their family here, right in the middle of the colony. They're just as vulnerable as the weaver chicks. It's not easy for the sociable weavers to accept this forced cohabitation, as the falcons will occasionally eat a chick. But the benefits far outweigh the costs. Not all alliances are perfect, but when you're small, unity certainly gives you strength.